Today, we will create a beginner makeup starter kit with Loreal. Loreal makeup is famous for its quality, innovation, affordability, and accessibility. I will compare the products with skin types, the finish, formulas, and also price, so you will easily choose your own beginner makeup kit. Hello, I'm Cutie Lucy. First, lipstick. If you want long-lasting, bold lipstick, choose Infallible matte-resistant liquid lipstick. It is a great option for formal events, evening outings, and spring or summer season. If you are looking for classic, versatile lipstick, choose color Riche Satin lipstick. It gives natural look, comfortable feel, hydrating and creamy lipstick. It is suitable for fall and winter seasons. For a hydrating and plumping lipstick, try Glow Paradise Balm-in-Lipstick with Pomegranate extract. It is a great choice for everyday wear and casual. You can use it in spring, summer, and also cooler seasons. Blush. If you want a fresh, glowing look, lightweight, and natural makeup, go for Lumi liquid blush. It is a great option for normal to dry skin. If you prefer a matte or satin finish and long-lasting, choose True Matte Blush. It is suitable for oily or combination or normal skin. Concealer. If you have oily, combination, or acne-prone skin, try Infallible Full Wear Concealer. If you need full coverage for scars, redness, and veins, or if you want a long-lasting matte concealer for special occasions or long days, this one's for you. If you have dry, normal, or mature skin, and if you are looking for a natural, lightweight, and hydrating concealer for everyday use, choose True Matte Radiant Serum Concealer. It covers dead cycles and aniline belts. It is a great option for fall and winter season. Setting powder. If you have oily, combination skin, or acne-prone skin, want long-lasting full coverage, and need a matte, transport-proof finish, choose Infallible up to 24-hour fresh wear foundation in a powder. It's perfect for summer or high activity days. If you have dry, normal, or combination skin, prefer a natural, lightweight look, and need a versatile powder for setting and light coverage, try True Matte Super-Blendable powder. It's ideal for daily wear and cooler seasons. Mascara. For special events or long wear days where you want bold, volume, and length look, pick Voluminous Lash Paradise Waterproof Mascara. If you have short lashes, or if you want a extended length eye look, choose Telescopic Original Waterproof Lengthening Mascara. It's great for the rainy season. For everyday wear, go with Air Volume Mega Mascara, lightweight Mega Volume Washable. Lip gloss. If you want a natural glow with sheer color and a lightweight feel, go for Glow Paradise Balm-in-Gloss with Pomegranate extract. It's perfect for everyday use and spring or summer seasons. If your lips are very dry or chapped, or if you want a plumping effect with intense hydration, choose the Hyaluron Lip Oil, especially during winter months. After you choose lipstick, blush, concealer, powder, mascara, lip gloss, Now we have an essential version of the L'Oreal Beginner Makeup Starter Kit. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my Cutie Lucy channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.